Yep, sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook bafethu. Yeah, iqiniso has to be told bafethu. Akekho umuntu ongaboni ku-PSL nje. Overall, you can ask ama-coaches, you can ask anyone. Mina, as for mina, ngisupport i-Pirates, but I can see what's happening. Ikram Renas is the best striker in South Africa, or who was born in South Africa currently. But why angekho national team is because Hugo Broos is not the one who selects a player. There's someone who selects a player who national team, and that someone is returning a favor by selecting a player we team yakhe, or ama player akhe adlalela team le ayisupportayo ku-PSL. The assistant eBafana Bafana is the one who selects a player. Yabo, Hugo Broos is just used as a reference. I'm telling you, this is what's happening. Even at Orlando Pirates, go and check about Thulasizwe Mbuyane. They are saying i-coach elapha ku-Orlando Pirates is not the one who selects i-scheme starting 11 makudlala i-match. Kuba nabantu abamselectelayo. So it's happening na kuBafana Bafana bafethu, and iya-destroy. If you can look bafethu, ama-strikers akuBafana Bafana currently, they are failing with distinction. Bafela with 7 distinctions. These guys bafethu, we can play 5 games ne, ama-friendly 5, and count how many goals ama-striker wethu akuBafana Bafana ascorayo. You will find ukuthi bakore 1 in 5 games, boy 2. Then when ufuna sibe confident ukuthi labantu bazosinceda ku-World Cup, how many goals did they score ku-AFCON? The both 2 strikers, how many goals did they score ku-AFCON? And when you are comfortable ngaleyo nto leyo ukuthi these people will help us le America, come on guys. Ikram Renas is the best candidate. Ikram Renas is the best candidate. Sikhuluma ngomuntu odlala iClub World Cup, wakora wathola ama-man of the match ku-Club World Cup. The same thing as Thembinkosi Launch. Ngathi la eSouth Africa silwa nabantu abaperformile kuma-Club World Cup. Angazi why. Even Lodge performed very well. Iyakhomba lo muntu ukuthi ku-bigger stage he can perform, but when ufuna usilandela abantu abangaperform just because badlalela ama-Orlando Pirates come on guys, arrogance. Hugo Broos, you are arrogant. Nama-supporters, they let this thing roll over. Come on bafethu. Danko.